So, brought to you by BMAC Derby Ace Premium Formula. Dito ka na sa Yamato. Dalawang miss. It'll stay with Coca-Cola though.
Gary David redeeming himself, securing another possession for Coca-Cola with that hustle play.
Williamson. Taulava against 3. A basket here will cut it to a single digit. Al-Jamal feeling good. Why not?
My goodness. That's 12 points in the fourth quarter for Yusef Al-Jamal. The closest that Santa Lucia has gone to Coca-Cola is this much. 7-point advantage for Coca-Cola.
And Al-Jamal already with a 15-point game. We've got a 30 requested by the Tigers. They'll have to go back to their lair. Andy Fix ang ating sponsor dito, of course. Andy Fix ang first aid ng bahay mo. Bonzol seals all. And the game has been altered in terms of its temperament.
And Coach Boy Fernandez was furiously searching for a spark that can be a game changer. And he went deep into his bench, blocked Yusef Al-Jamal, was questionable for today's game, and has really come out firing for Santa Lucia. 15 points, 12 of them coming here in the fourth.
Did not start, as Chicky reported, did not even play, I think, in the first half, because had suffered an injury over the last 2 days. That really messes up your plans for the game itself when players get injured in practice. You like them to go hard, but you know, the possibility of injury is always there. In the meantime, Lanete setting up the table here. David says, let me shoot. And now Santa Lucia presented with an opportunity to claw in even closer. Escobar, and it's the Zambeda trio here. It's combining. Lanete with a foul. Escobar troops to the line after the first foul of Chico.
And the impressive part about this is that the Realtors are doing this with Anthony Johnson seated on the bench because of 5 personal fouls. Santa Lucia outscoring the Tigers here in the quarter. 18 for the Realtors, make that 19. Para naman sa Coca-Cola, meron pa lamang silang naitalang 11 points dito sa fourth quarter.
Six-point game. Sense of urgency already there.
Definitely. Only a 2-possession lead right now for the Tigers,
who suddenly hit a very, very dry spot in their offense. But they're trying to reignite them. Macapagal fires at 3. Can't drill it in. Rebound loose. Espino has it. Overcooks. David is there. And David has continued to give them a lift.
Remember that Coca-Cola has 0 offensive rebounds in the first half. But here in the second, 11 offensive rebounds, 11 second chance points. But those 2 points by Gary David were extremely important for the Coca-Cola Tigers.
And he has a 25-point game up to the moment. Pamatay sunog itong puntos na ito.
At kaya rin napakahalaga nung missed free throw ni Pong Escobar on the other end. Could have put more pressure on the Tigers instead. More cushion for Coca-Cola. 9-point margin under 5 minutes dito sa ating fourth quarter.
Escobar almost bottled up there. Menor charges through. And there's a blocking foul.
And OG Menor once again forcing the Tigers to commit that foul, and John Williamson will be called for a technical foul.
Foul on number 45, John Williamson. This second foul teams on for the Coca-Cola Tigers. Warning on John Williamson.
There's that second foul. And there is the disappointment. We'll take a short break because this game is altogether different. Menor will go visit the free throw line. Johnson's back in the game.
Yes, could be the final push for the Realtors.
In the meantime, checking out this BMAC Derby's power move. Al-Jamal has been a source of power, a source of strength for the Realtors. That move brought to you by Derby's Premium Formula. Dito ka na sa Llamado. And they are within 8. David bottled up. Chico Lanete gets it across in time. David trying to post up Menor downstairs on the bottom of your screen. Espino, and that's a call for a flop. If I get this right, could be a technical.
It's an obvious mismatch between Espino and Yusif Al-Jamal in the shaded area.
And Boyd Fernandez is a bone to pick with referee Pascual.
Technical foul on the Santa Lucia Realtors. It's him on Jamal for the second blocking infraction.
Kanina kasi si Daa yung tatawagan ng flop, no? Nung, we'll take the second look. Boyd Fernandez gets his own warning. Now what hurts is that Santa Lucia is on a tear here. They're getting the momentum to shift to their side. But this guy, David, has been a fire extinguisher.
He's been the biggest answer for Coca-Cola. Williamson has struggled here in the fourth. Mark Macapagalas hasn't found the range here in the final quarter. But itong si Gary David has been a constant producer of points for the Coca-Cola Tigers. And once again, Coca-Cola on top by 9 points.
And have possession of the ball and a 14-second shot clock. Espino driving very hard. Too much muscle. Ball on the line.
And once again, Gary David making that play happen for Coca-Cola.
Medyo maamoy yung bola sa Coca-Cola dito sa stretch na to, no?
Sinadaan sa sipag ni Gary David.
Macapagal peeks inside. Williamson knows that there's only 2 seconds. Hold it, hold it. May fouls off the miss. David yata. And the 5th on the Tigers. One more, they will be over the limit. Kinikling at the midcourt line. Al-Jamal outs it over to Johnson. Johnson attracts 3 defenders. Al-Jamal is fouled by Chico.
Al-Jamal has the hot hand. Definitely defense will try to close out long. When you see Al-Jamal, the Tigers are over the limit. Santa Lucia shot 38 free throws today, Seb. They have made 26 for about 69%. On the other side, Coca-Cola 17 of 28 for about 61%.
Galing mo sa mat today.
At tabi ko ang ating statistician.
Ayun, na-notice ko lang galing mo sa mat today. May percentages ka pa.
Maliwanag ang ating laptop.
Parang galing. Asi Taulava returns to the ballgame, pulling out Venice, Espino.
And Coach Bo Perasol alternating Asi Taulava and Dennis Espino for that 5 position, trying to squeeze the best out of his veteran bigs as they try to close